Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to our lecturer, Dr. Rahim. We are from Section 2, Production Planning and Control, Semester 2. We are going to present our project with title Production Planning and Control in Small Enterprise. First of all, I'm going to introduce my group members. First, Nur Akmal Adib bin Zul, Nabila Husna binti Hasbullah, Mahathir bin Mahaziz, and I, Era Safira binti Sahril. I am going to present the introduction of this project. First, the project background. Norlin Frozen Foods was officially founded in 2011. It's a sole-owned company. The company operates at Sungai Mati, Tangkak, Johor. Norlin Frozen Food Company manufactures food based on seafood. Otak-otak is one of the main products of this company. Products released by Norlin Frozen Foods Company use the overall frozen foods name. Starting with the brainstorm, Norlin Frozen Foods Company released 4 other types of products as a result of basic product innovations. Although it is officially registered, the owner started the business part-time more than 5 years ago. The company owner, Ms. Nurlizah binti Haman, has over 6 years of experience in food processing in the Malaysian Fishery Academy in Chendering, Kuala Terengganu. Next, problem statement. This project aims to carry out an industrial project related to production planning and control discipline, especially in forecasting. Each group needs to approach small enterprise as case study company. Groups need to solve problems related to production planning and control in a company. Project objective: to demonstrate the ability of students to apply specific methods in solving the problems related to production planning and control in a case study company. Project scope: to cover the quantitative forecasting methods, disciplines of production planning and control in a case study company.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mahathir bin Mahaziz, and I'm going to talk about methodology. To complete the data collection for this project, we conducted a site visit and interview with the owner of Norlin Frozen Food. After arrival to the site and meeting with the people in charge of guiding us, a short brief was given by Mrs. Noliza's husband to start the tour around the site. The interview is conducted face-to-face against the guide and the team members. It was short, but Mr. Noliza's husband is really to communicate. It's easily to communicate, and he is direct as well, and he gives many information. Then, the age of the worker is above 40 years old, and because of that, production planning or control is needed so that the workers is more comfortable doing the production. Then for the analysis method, there are 2 broad categories of forecasting technique. First is quantitative and second is qualitative. For our group, we choose for quantitative method. Quantitative methods are based on algorithm of varying complexity, while qualitative methods are based on well-informed guessing. Time series methods are probably the simplest method to be used and can be quite accurate, especially in short term. Most of quantitative forecasting approach aim to understand trend in historical data as a way to use this pattern to predict future pattern. Next is simple moving average. Simple moving average is the simplest type of technique of forecasting. Basically, a simple moving average is calculated by adding up the last n period values and then dividing that number by n. So the moving average value is considering as the forecast for next period. Moving average can be used to quickly identify whether selling is moving in an uptrend or downtrend depending on the pattern captured by the moving average.
Next is result. In data analysis, we use +1 quantitative method. Quantitative method is a statistical technique to make predictions about the future which uses numerical measure and prior effect to predict future events. So this is the calculation that we calculate among the 3-month moving average. April, the total of the average is 19.33, May is 22.67, June is 26.33, July is 28, August is 25.33, September is 20.67, October is 16, November is 10, and December is 4.67. So this is the total of the 3-month moving average of the sales.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nur Rahman Dimenzul. For the conclusion, the planning and control of the production is an important part of any SME. The SME production system can be smoothed by a systematic production cycle as well as effective and judicious application of PPC in each system. This will reduce the workers in the time and maximum inventory usage when doing production in SMEs. The routing, scheduling, dispatching, and follow-up shall be carried out in detail, taking into consideration various factors and parameters which are applicable to SMEs. Proper production planning and control in the SME will provide the advantage in the competitive market and with firm age to face challenges.